Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel for today's Russian word of the day, which is day number 67. And in today's lesson, we are going to transition from learning words for food, we've been studying that for several weeks now, to learning words for other things that you might find in the kitchen. So today's first word in this new part of the series is table.
Стол, стол, стол,
Really, this should be a pretty straightforward word for a native English speaker. Stol. Go ahead and practice it a few more times here at the end of the video. We'll see you again tomorrow with a new word of the day. Пока for now.
стол, стол, стол.